I fall asleep, yeah. There's nothing in this world I'd rather do. I wanna get numb and forget where I'm from. Just looking at your eyes, like looking at the sun. I feel like you're the moon, I feel like I'm the one. I wanna get numb, 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 numb. I wanna get numb and forget where I'm from. Just looking at your eyes, like looking at the sun. I feel like you're the moon, I feel like I'm the one. I wanna get numb, 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 numb.
Right here for you on 99.7 Now, number one for all the hits and Big Bay mornings. Good morning, happy Sunday. I hope you are nice and warm and toasty, not having to worry about the rain just yet. So I'm going to make sure I take care of you with some of your favorites. Lil Nas X is on the way. I've got the Kid Laroi, Justin Bieber. Also, all the info on how you can be checking out Charlie Puth coming to the Bay for one night only. I'm going to let you know all about that coming up. The spell is cast. Halloween time is back at the Disneyland Resort.
And 99.7 Now has your chance to experience the magic. Happy Hauntings are returning to both Disney California Adventure Park and Disneyland Park.
Fiendish family fun happening now through October 31st.
And you won't want to miss the Spellabration.
Visit 997now.com to see how you can win 2-day, 1 park per date Disneyland Resort tickets. Offering subject to capacity, restrictions, and change without notice.
The gamer, the call maker, the experience chaser. What if you could be everything all at once? Galaxy Z Fold 4 is powered by the Snapdragon processor for world-class performance and lightning-fast speed to turbocharge your multitasking. How about an expansive edge-to-edge screen for immersive gaming, hands-free video calls with flex mode, and multi-window view to use up to 3 apps at the same time? With Galaxy Z Fold 4, do more with ease and make multitasking a breeze. Available now at Samsung.com.
It's my cancer coming back fast, but Dr. Hayes responded even faster with innovative new treatments, helping me beat my cancer and bring back my hope.
It's being told my heart no longer works, then spending 30 days in Sutter's cardiovascular intensive care unit before finally getting a new heart.
It's
At Shane Company, I take pride in my work. Every time I set a diamond into an engagement ring, I think about what this ring means to the couple, how it symbolizes their connection and dreams for the future. At Shane Company, our rings have stronger prongs to secure the center stone. There's more gold in the structure of the rings, and the quality shows. Every day in the jeweler workshop is different because every couple has a unique way of personalizing their engagement ring. Instead of a round diamond for the center stone, they might choose a pear-shaped diamond or an oval-shaped blue sapphire. Not only do we set stones, we resize rings, polish them, we can easily add engravings, and we also fix heirloom jewelry. No 2 days in the workshop are ever alike. So whether you're buying your engagement ring at the store or online, just know that a master jeweler has added their personal touch, and they know how much this ring means to you.
Now you have a friend in the jewelry business. Shane Company and ShaneCo.com.
Macy's one-day sale is going on now with great deals of the day to update your rotation, like 40 to 50% off fall essentials and must-have styles for him and for her, 30 to 50% off the perfect shoes and bags to match, and get 40% off your new favorite designer fragrances. Plus, get your order even faster when you pick up curbside, in-store, or get same-day delivery now at Macy's. Savings on sale and clearance prices. Exclusions apply. You're
You're the one who protects the flock, and that requires an eye for detail. Because when safety and well-being are on the line, it's the details that can save lives. Even when no one else is watching, you see everything. Grainger gets you, and who get it done with a wide range of safety products and solutions, plus board-certified safety consultants here to answer your questions. Call, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
Let's turn it up.
Number one for all the hits and Big Bay Mornings. 99.7 always knows what's hot.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear thoughts in every note. Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you. Sing along to my stereo.
Class heroes, baby. If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off and play me like everybody else? If I asked you to scratch my back, could you manage that? Like if we had chicken trappy, I can handle that. Furthermore, I apologize for any skipping tracks. It's just the last girl that played me left a couple cracks. I used to, now I'm over that. Cause holding grudges over love is ancient artifacts. If I could only find a note to make you understand, I sing it softly in your ear and grab you by the head. Keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune. And know my heart's a stereo. The only place for you. My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Come on. Make me your radio, turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you. Sing along to my stereo. Let's go. If I was an old school 50-pound boombox, would you hold me on your shoulder wherever you walk? Would you turn my volume up in front of the cops and crank it higher every time they told you to stop? And all I ask is that you don't get mad at me when you have to purchase Mad D batteries. Appreciate every mixtape your friends make. You never know what's gonna go like on the interstate. I think I finally found a note to make you understand. If you get it and sing along and take it by the head, see me stuck inside your head like you. You know my heart's stereo, the only place for you. Heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio, turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo. Yeah. I only pray you'll never leave me behind, because good music can be so hard to find. I'll take your hand and hold it closer to mine. Our love is there, but now you're changing.
I can tap too.